Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on comments from followers that you follow back on the application of TikTok. Sorry, to know how to turn on comments from followers that you follow back on TikTok, you should just go to TikTok and we click. After that, in this page, as you see, we go to this window profile and you will enter. Then in this page, you will go to above and you will click in this sign. After that, you will go to settings and privacy. When you will see this page, you will go to privacy. And then you will go to comments here and you will click. Sorry. You will go to comments. Then here you will find comments. And after that, you will click in this sign. When this sign changes the red color, then you can know how to turn on comments from followers that you follow back. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.